Hi, I am Dr. Kavita, MD Acupuncturist. Today we are going to see acupressure point for wheezing and asthma. First acupressure point located just below the clavicle bone. There is a clavicle bone. The point lies just below the clavicle bone. Use your thumb finger and index finger just below the clavicle bone. Press it like this. You can feel the depression. Just press it like this and take a deep breath and release. You can do it in 1 to 3 minutes. You have to just hold it and take a deep breath and release. Second acupressure point located on your palm. There is a thumb. Below the thumb, you can feel one bone here. So, center of the bone, there is an acupressure point. Between the fair skin and the dark skin, here is the point, center of the bone. This is LU10. Use your finger and press it, this acupressure point. 1 to 3 minutes you can press it. Third acupressure point located on your wrist. On the wrist, there is a crease. So end of the crease, there you can feel one small depression. That is the point. This is the point. LU9 is the acupressure point. Use your finger. You can feel small depression there. Press it like this and release. 1 to 3 minutes you can press it and release. End of the crease, that is the acupressure point. Fourth acupressure point located on your elbow. On the elbow, you can feel one tendon here. Outer part of the tendon, the acupressure point is located. LU5 is the acupressure point. You can feel one tendon here. Outer side of the tendon. You have to use your finger and press deeply. You can feel one depression. Press deeply. Press deeply for 1 to 3 minutes. This is the acupressure point. Now we have seen acupressure point for asthma and wheezing. Keep doing this acupressure point regular basis. You will get a good result. Thanks for watching the video.